Few of these showers and storms moving through not only this afternoon, but tomorrow afternoon as well. And again, this is all coming out ahead of a cold front that will eventually pass through as we head into tomorrow. But it doesn't really do much to kind of reset that temperature. Yesterday was certainly quite enjoyable. We had the lower humidity, lower heat. We're going to go right back to more seasonable weather for July with the heat, with a bit more of that humidity on hand. And as a couple more systems roll through just in time for the weekend, it is going to keep that rain and storm chance alive. Right now, Doppler radar has been fairly quiet through the morning. We have a lot of activity popping up just across the northern basin of Lake Erie out towards the Toledo area. But so far, we've been quiet here, at least locally. We've got a couple light showers that are trying to work into some of our western counties, but most of this has not really materialized to much because we're still waiting on that warm front to continue to pass through our area. As it does so, it will unlock the better moisture to make some of those showers and potentially a few of those thunderstorms a bit more productive today. In the meantime, dry for now, temperatures sitting mid to upper 70s across our area, and I do expect that as we continue through the afternoon, temperatures, even despite the cloud cover, will have an opportunity to warm into the lower 80s. We'll walk you through all this hour-by-hour data concerning the rain and storm chance for today. We water it. It may start to look a little crispy, but when you look at how much rain we've received throughout this entire year, we are ahead of schedule. So technically, no, we don't necessarily need some of this rain. Not yet. We'll see how the rest of the summer continues to play out. But temperatures will be more seasonable today into the lower 80s. And again, we're waiting on a cold front to roll through tomorrow. So until that front passes, you're going to keep that storm chance alive, at least for the next 24 to about 48 hours. Your hour-by-hour forecast today, touch warmer than where we were, say, at this point yesterday. Most of us are already into the mid and upper 70s at this point, closing in on the lower 80s for this afternoon. And you'll notice as we get into this afternoon, we may have a few showers and storms around the area. I don't think this is going to necessarily be everybody seeing rain at all times through the day. In fact, you look at Doppler radar, things are pretty quiet out there, at least as of right now. But as we go through the course of this afternoon, we will likely start to see a better opportunity near the lake shore initially, and then eventually sinking to the south where we have some of those storm chances that may have to deter some of those outdoor plans that you have. So here's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You'll notice some showers, some storms certainly out there. Not everybody is seeing this, though we will likely hold on to some of that thicker cloud cover through the day. And then gradually as we head into this evening, that rain chance slowly starts to slip into our southern counties. And then by sunset, we should start to see most of this activity quieting down, at least for today's round. Now, as we go through tomorrow, may be handy to have that 19 First Alert weather app handy because we will be tracking another round of showers and storms. Same can be said as we look ahead to the weekend. We'll break it all down for you hour by hour coming up here in just a few minutes.